Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Karibuni tena kwa Mind Mastery Tutor. Leo tutafanya swali la mwisho KCSE 2024 Maths Paper 2 question 1. Ikiwa waanza hiyo video, basi hiyo ndio itakuwa swali lako la kwanza. Swali, kumbuka subscribe to the channel. Always subscribe to the channel. Hii swali ni swali la Arithmetic Progression, which is series and sequences. Swali lasema, an arithmetic progression AP is given as 600, 650, 700, 750, dash. So kuna namba zingine hapo za fuatilia. Determine question A, the 30th term of the AP, question B, the sum of the first 30 terms of the AP. So katika swali lako la kwanza, wauliza kutafuta nth term. So, now nth term is given by this formula, which is A plus N minus 1 times D. So, A ni nini? A is your first term, remember? Sorry for that. A is your first term. N ni term yako, so A is your first term. N ni term. And your D is your common difference. Sawa paka hapa. Okay. So your first term hapa ukiona ni 600. So 600 plus N, your 30th term. So your N is 30. So 30 minus 1 times your common difference. And how do you get your common difference? You take the second term minus the first term. So 650 minus 600 itakupa ngapi? Itakupa 50. Ama ukitaka waweza chukua ya tatu minus ya pili. So your common difference is times 50. Sawa paka. So 600 plus 30 minus 1, which is 29 times 50. So ukichukua calculator yako itakupa answer directly. So take your calculator with you. Take 29 times 50 and then add it to 600. So 600 plus 29 times 50. So itakupa 2050. Up. So 2050. Okay. So obviously 29 times 50, ukitafuta hiyo peke yake ni huwa ni 1450. So add 1450 kwa 600 itakupa 2050. So that's your first answer. The second answer is the sum. And how do you get the sum? Sum of terms is given by n over 2 into brackets 2a plus n minus 1 times your common difference. So n over 2, so sum of 30 terms, so n is 30 divided by 2 into brackets 2 times a, which is 2 times a, which is 600, plus n 30 minus 1 times your common difference, which is 50. So 30 divided by 2 ni 15. 2 times 600 ni 1200 plus 29 ni 29 times 50 itakupa 1450. Sawa paka. So add 1450 kwa 1200. Okay. Add 1450 kwa 1200 itakupa 2650. And take 26, so take 15 times 2650. And the final answer should give you 39,750. Sawa, swali rahisi. Na si swali ambayo ya kukosa. So with that in all, those are your two answers, and don't forget to subscribe. Always subscribe, share it to your friends so that they can also benefit it.